Embarking on a fitness journey is a transformative experience, a commitment to a healthier and more vibrant you. It's about pushing boundaries, challenging limitations, and unlocking the full potential of your physical well-being. The pursuit of fitness is a testament to the power of human resilience, a journey of self-discovery and growth. However, the path to fitness is rarely linear. It's often paved with challenges and setbacks. Amidst the triumphs and tribulations, it's important to remember that every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. The key lies in understanding the subtle ways everyday habits can impact your progress, either propelling you forward or holding you back. This essay delves into the often overlooked habits that can sabotage your fitness aspirations. We'll explore the science behind these habits, understand their impact on your body, and equip you with practical strategies to overcome them. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding these hidden obstacles, you can navigate your fitness journey with greater awareness and control. While grand gestures and intense workout regimes often take center stage in the fitness world, it's the seemingly insignificant everyday habits that can make or break your progress. These small, often overlooked actions can accumulate over time, creating a significant impact on your overall fitness journey. These silent saboteurs often operate beneath the surface, subtly undermining your efforts and hindering your ability to achieve your fitness goals. They can be as simple as reaching for that extra cookie or skipping a workout because you feel tired. Imagine this: you're diligently following a workout routine, pushing yourself to the limit at the gym, yet seeing minimal results. It's frustrating, isn't it? You might start questioning your methods, your diet, or even your dedication. The culprit? Your everyday habits could be counteracting your hard work. Those moments of indulgence or laziness can add up, creating a barrier between you and your fitness aspirations. From inadequate sleep to hidden sugars in your diet, these seemingly harmless practices can significantly impact your body's ability to recover, build muscle, and burn fat. Lack of sleep can lead to increased stress levels and poor decision-making, while hidden sugars can spike your insulin levels, leading to weight gain. The good news is that once you identify these habits, you can start replacing them with healthier alternatives. Simple changes like opting for water instead of sugary drinks, ensuring you get enough sleep, and choosing nutritious foods can make a world of difference. This essay will guide you through some of the most common everyday habits that could be sabotaging your fitness goals, providing you with the knowledge and tools to regain control of your health and well-being. We'll explore practical tips and strategies to help you stay on track. Get ready to unmask these silent saboteurs and pave the way for lasting fitness success. By making mindful choices and staying consistent, you can overcome these obstacles and achieve the results you've been working so hard for. Sleep, often dismissed as a passive activity, is a cornerstone of good health and fitness. While you sleep, your body works tirelessly, repairing muscles, consolidating memories, and regulating hormones crucial for optimal physical function. Chronic sleep deprivation, however, disrupts these essential processes, throwing your body into a state of stress and undermining your fitness efforts. When you consistently skimp on sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased fat storage, particularly around the abdominal area. Furthermore, sleep deprivation negatively impacts the production of growth hormone, essential for muscle repair and growth. This hormonal imbalance creates a counterproductive cycle, making it harder to lose fat and build muscle, despite your best efforts. The solution? Prioritize sleep as a non-negotiable pillar of your fitness routine. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, create a sleep-conducive environment, and consider limiting screen time before bed. Remember, prioritizing sleep is not a sign of weakness, but a strategic investment in your fitness journey. Section 4. The Sugar Monster. Unveiling the hidden sugars, sabotaging your progress. Sugar, often lurking in unexpected places, can be a major roadblock on your fitness journey. It's not just the obvious culprits like candy and soda. Sugar hides in many foods you might not suspect. While natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables provide essential nutrients, added sugars, often hidden in processed foods and sugary drinks, offer little nutritional value and contribute to a cascade of negative health effects. These added sugars can sneak into your diet through items like bread, sauces, and even so-called healthy snacks. Consuming excessive added sugar leads to blood sugar spikes and crashes, leaving you feeling lethargic and craving more sugary treats. This constant roller coaster of energy levels can make it difficult to maintain a consistent workout routine and stay motivated. This vicious cycle disrupts your body's ability to burn fat effectively, leading to weight gain and hindering your fitness progress. When your body is constantly dealing with sugar highs and lows, it becomes less efficient at using stored fat for energy. Moreover, excess sugar consumption contributes to inflammation, a major culprit behind various chronic diseases and a hindrance to muscle recovery and growth. Inflammation can cause muscle soreness and slow down your recovery time, making it harder to achieve your fitness goals. To regain control over your sugar intake, start by reading food labels carefully. Look for hidden sugars under different names like high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, and glucose. Be mindful of hidden sugars in condiments, sauces, and seemingly healthy snacks. Even items marketed as low-fat or healthy can be loaded with added sugars to enhance flavor. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs without the added sugars that can derail your progress. By making conscious choices and limiting your intake of added sugars, you can fuel your body effectively and support your fitness goals. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and fitness journey. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and take control of your sugar intake to achieve the results you desire. Section 5. The Dehydration Dilemma. Why staying hydrated is crucial for optimal fitness. Water, the elixir of life, plays a pivotal role in maintaining optimal health and supporting your fitness endeavors. It is essential for every cell, tissue, and organ in your body to function correctly. Your body relies on water for a myriad of essential functions, from regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients and oxygen to your muscles. Water also aids in digestion, absorption, and circulation, ensuring that your body operates at its best. Even mild dehydration can negatively impact your physical performance, hindering your ability to achieve your fitness goals. It can cause a decrease in strength, power, and endurance, making your workouts less effective. When you're dehydrated, your body's ability to regulate temperature is compromised, leading to increased fatigue and reduced endurance during workouts. This can make it difficult to push through your exercise routine and achieve the results you desire. Dehydration also impairs muscle function, making your workouts feel more challenging and increasing your risk of injury. Muscle cramps, spasms, and strains are more likely to occur when your body lacks adequate hydration. Moreover, dehydration can slow down your metabolism, making it harder to lose weight and achieve your desired body composition. Proper hydration helps to maintain a healthy metabolic rate, which is crucial for burning calories and shedding excess weight. The solution is simple. Make hydration a non-negotiable aspect of your daily routine. Develop a habit of drinking water regularly throughout the day to ensure your body stays hydrated and functions optimally. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on water consistently, especially before, during, and after workouts. This will help you maintain your energy levels and improve your overall performance. Remember, thirst is often a late indicator of dehydration, so make it a habit to drink water regularly, even when you don't feel thirsty. By staying proactive about your hydration, you can enhance your fitness journey and achieve your goals more effectively. If you found this information helpful, please support our channel by subscribing. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your fitness journey. Thank you.